Hi, I'm Lance Schmeidler, and I'm an instructor in the Department of Communication. I teach media production courses and also some courses in interpersonal theory. Two areas of emphasis in the concentration for media production and criticism. So the first one is the production side. In those courses, students will build this foundational knowledge that will really apply to a range of current media-related professions. There's 4 required courses in the concentration, and those courses will expose students to media theory and give them some really great practice to develop their hands-on production skills. The production courses, they help students build their technical knowledge so that they can work with new technologies and emerging technologies that really range across media platforms. But there's also corporate communications and, of course, social media. That's the production side. Now, the other area of emphasis would be the criticism piece. And that program courses give students the opportunity to learn and think critically with real purpose about the different roles and effects of media. And as a result, when they graduate, they'll have a really strong theoretical foundation in the study of media content, processes, and effects of media.